So that intro was AI generated. Could you tell? What if I showed you the whole thing? Now, when you see that it messed up my name, could you tell that's AI generated? In this video, I'll be trying out OpenAI's Sora and giving my first impressions. I have a list of different categories of things I want to try out, so let's just get into it. A girl, let's say hey, it's Maya from the future, but I'm going to speed up these portions of me writing the prompt just because this video is going to be an hour long and I know y'all ain't going to stay here for an hour. So yeah, let me just speed this up. See what this does. Okay. Those are not goddess braids. She's not even typing at the laptop. She typing on the mouse pad. How do they do that to her? I have no idea. Oh, I didn't say she's from the US. Does that actually say something? If anyone knows what that says, let me know in the comments. Boy, cotite. I'm actually gonna look that up. Is that like real? Is it Latin? I don't know what that means. If you know what that says, let me know in the comments. And you don't even see the words popping up as she types. Let me see the other one. Oh, that coffee. Right? I think it it made like a to-go cup and a coffee mug at the same time. The plants, again, okay, they like the little plant action. I don't know what she's looking at. She ain't looking at, at least this one's typing at the actual keyboard. So we did something here, we did something. If I had to pick one that I like better, I don't know, I don't like how this plant is looking, so it'd probably be this one. I don't know what that says either. Long L today. Okay, I think it might be gibberish. Let me know if it's gibberish. Not me looking it up. So an animation of the text Maya Bello. So the next thing I generated was this YouTube style intro. Y'all have already seen this in the beginning, so I'm just gonna fast forward, but that's the prompt that I used. A lion having brunch. Ooh, let's see it. Oh, wow. I'm uncomfortable. I actually don't like this one. This lion, they put some lion in some pants. Okay, I didn't think it was gonna have no pants. I thought it was just gonna be, lying about. Okay, I'm looking at the girl's hands. Looks good. Okay. Oh, is that the French toast? Where's your French toast, lion? The background's interesting. That is a spoon. Is it a fork? Okay, I'm gonna thumbs this one down. Oh, I don't want to get feedback. That's doing too much. Okay. A black samba dancer. Oh, wow. I can't tell with her eyes. I'm like, is there something funky going on there? Tony, I want to see if you like this video.
There's a lot going on.
There's a lot going on. I'm overstimulated.
It's a lot not correct.
What is this? Like this still? Is that an arm there?
Yeah,
or
there's an arm, extra arms.
Look at, what is this hand?
It's like it's swirling pom-poms.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 fingers.
And that's not samba.
No.
A pom-pom.
Those moves is not samba.
They just
Maybe type in samba no pet.
An Afro-Brazilian samba no ped dancer performing in Carnival. See, what is this?
Samba can be colorful, but they just put the whole rainbow on her outfit. And then the other one, spin it again. Outfit.
Spin it again. Okay, now you can see her face at the end. They should have started with that.
I don't know. It's like giving like it's in reverse.
It's like making me like.
And then the people in the background, they're not even looking at her.
I noticed that too.
They're looking away.
Interesting.
She's looking down on the ground when she needs to be looking at with her audience.
You know what's interesting? I have a coder girl, and she was also looking at the ground. Not looking at the ground, but I'm like, I wonder why. Yeah, I don't know what they were doing with this. Replace the building. Let's say with the playground. Okay, let's see. Help improve Sora. You want me to improve it? I guess so. Pick the best videos in this set. We've generated additional videos for you to choose from to improve Sora, ensure you're getting the best results. The additional videos generated did not use any credits. In the comments below, let me know which one you would have picked. Okay, they changed the girl. Both of these girls look different. I'm gonna pick the left because I like the ground better with a little bit of grass and the rocks. I don't really care for the bricks on the floor in this one. I think the girl on the left is closer to age of that original girl. They made the girl on the right slightly older. And looks wise too, I think the girl on the left looks closer to the original video. And I didn't want them to change the girl. I just wanted to, yeah. So let's keep this one. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to create a storyboard. So I tried to upload 2 different memes and it didn't allow me. It says it was against policy. So I don't know if they're gonna fix this in the future, but uploading pictures did not work. So the storyboard with a meme did not work out. So I was like, okay, let me create an original storyboard. And I'm actually glad I did that because there's a lot of talk about AI and film and will AI replace filmmakers and things like that. So I kind of wanted to try this out myself. So I've been doing very short prompts this whole video. So I decided to challenge myself and actually make a longer prompt for this. And what I really liked that Sora had this kind of like rewrite feature where it could add more details and kind of make the prompts more in Sora's language. So I played around with that. So I wanted this to be a 3-part storyboard. I wanted to see if it would actually like adhere to all the different details that I gave it. And I wanted to see if it would be cohesive, you know, like will it be the same person throughout? Because for example, in a film, you know, if the main character looks like 20 different people, you know, that would be so hard to follow that story. So yeah, this is me playing around with Storyboard. Ooh. Okay, so I think they just always want my input. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, they gave us 4? Oh, there's so much to focus on. Can I view them one at a time? Wow, it's kind of crazy. At least that first part. Up to here, that part was believable, like 7 seconds of it. All the way till the next girl came. Yeah. I like that. I actually like this more than I thought I would. Yes. Anime video of a lion. Wow, I love this. This is so... I'm trying to look at its legs. Sometimes it's the legs that give it away. Okay, this might be one of my favorites. Wow. So that was my first impression of OpenAI's Sora. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. It's really interesting, it's really scary, and yeah, we're gonna see where this technology goes. Let me know in the comments below what use cases that you have for Sora. I would love to know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that great stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.